Today we will learn how to install Openjdk on Windows. First we go to google.com and search Openjdk. Click on Openjdk website. Click on JDK Java Net /17. Receive Windows x64. Click on that zip file. Started downloading, takes some time. Now download it. Open the folder. Click on the folder, extract all. It's extracting. It's now extracted. Software is in this. Go back. Copy this folder. Now go to C drive, program files, create a folder named Java. Click on that, paste this, Openjdk folder access denied, continue. This, click on the bin folder, copy the path, click ADV, click on advanced and system settings, click on environment variable, go to path, edit path, click on new, paste the path, OK. Move the path to up, just above Maven. Click OK. OK. You can go back to program files, now just move away from the bin folder, copy the path, go to environment variables, we create a Java home, enter the variable value, the path where the software is located, click OK. 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 Check in the command prompt, enter Java -- version. Openjdk is now installed. That's it guys. Subscribe my channel.